What's up guys, in this video I'll show you the easiest way to cancel an Amazon Flex block without hurting your waiting. Let's get started. Before I show you how to cancel the Amazon Flex block, there are two things very important I need you to know. The first thing, let's say you reserve a block yesterday for today or 4-5 hours ago you reserve a block and you know you weren't able to do it. You got 45 minutes to cancel that block. If you don't cancel that block at least 45 minutes before the block start time, it will affect your waiting. And the second thing is, let's say you receive a block that's gonna start less than 45 minutes. You got 5 minutes to cancel that block, otherwise it will affect your waiting. This is why I say those two things very important to you to know so you can protect your waiting. Why not? Let me show you exactly how to cancel an Amazon Flex block. This is the block I'm gonna go ahead and cancel. You see it's gonna start at 6:15 a.m. to 9:45 a.m. and they're gonna pay me $77. I don't like this one, so to cancel that I'm just gonna go to two little ball right here in the top left corner, and then it's gonna open a menu. From the menu I'm gonna look for calendar. I'm gonna click in calendar. You see where the orange dot is? If you got multiple order, it's gonna see multiple orange dots in your calendar. So right now I only got one reserve block, so that's the one I'm going to cancel. I'm gonna click in it. When I click in it, it's gonna take me right here to the order. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click again to this order, to the time. Most of the time I click to the time. It doesn't matter where you click. So, and it's gonna say forfeit block in the bottom, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click forfeit block, and it's gonna ask me, are you sure you want to forfeit this block? You can say no, you can say yes, but I want to cancel this. I'm just gonna say yes, and after that is gonna take you here. Your block has been forfeited. There is no more orange dot in the calendar anymore. That's how you cancel an Amazon Flex block. It's easy to do. If you have any question, I'm here for you. Just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.